Hello everyone, this is Steven Yorashko of Restaurant Adventures with Steve Uri. Last month I celebrated my birthday. To help me celebrate, my chosen family, my nieces and nephews, created a special birthday dinner for me and my wife, featuring many delicacies from their home province of Fujian in China. I felt so honored by their generosity toward their Uncle Steve that I decided to put together a short video commemorating the event. So please sit back and enjoy the feast.
Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6?
Take your time. You can be a long one. As long as 1 hour, 2 hours.
Well, I really hope you enjoyed this week's restaurant adventure. Thank you for tuning in. This is Steven Yorashko of Restaurant Adventures with Steve Uri, signing off for now. And I hope you'll join me on my next restaurant adventure. Until then, come back.